wrapped up the Master Your Makeup class. This is my beautiful model, Alicia. And check out my beautiful girls in Toledo, Ohio!
I had the best time at Stefani Carol's makeup class. I learned a lot of things that I did not know. As a TV newscaster, obviously makeup is very important and a part of my everyday life, and she had a lot of tricks that will help me look my best when I'm on TV. One of the things that I wanted to know was about fading the brow, and she was able to tell me how to do that correctly. Also a lot of contouring, which I love to do, and highlighting. It was a great class and I learned a lot, and not only did I learn a lot, but I had a lot of fun, and it was just a great experience.
Hello, my name is Shayna Marshall, and I think this was absolutely one of the best makeup classes ever. This is definitely one of a girls' night out that you definitely should do. It was really laid back. We had a great time. You could either do a hands-on or just watch her as she applied makeup on a model. I learned things that I did not know that I could take back and apply to my everyday life. It was just truly exciting. I had a blast, and I would recommend it to everyone. It's a great time.
Woo! Hi, I just finished Stefani Carol's class, and what an amazing class it was. I learned so much, and I've learned that there's so many different techniques in putting on your makeup, and I'm so excited to try all the contouring and highlighting techniques I've learned.
And it's Tiana, and I really enjoyed Stefani Carol's makeup class. She gave us so many practical tips that I've never heard before, and she's just a warm and exciting person, and she gave away great prizes.
You look amazing tonight. You don't look like a boxer. This is not your normal look, is it?
This is not my normal look, but we can switch it up, for sure.
Killing it. So what did we do tonight? What was this?
Stephanie definitely beat my face, and I love it. We have like a soft look, and just look at these lashes. Like, this is my first time actually wearing lashes, and I love it. I think it's like makes my eyes look popping.